Ka sarkar jela hagalai terik unai luar arhajar arpusan kalapan bena bakan pleno ya ke Shillong Medical College. Haki Artli Hospital kebalaran lupa ki bakan top ega Ganesh Das Government MCH Hospital mada Civil Hospital Shillong. Ya ke nila pentip de Menteri Ketenat kakot kaki ak jelai Dr. Amperin Lingdo. Habakran ni kilat patai kubor
Pura
Dr.
Medical
Amperin
College
nilitu bagatanat kalayo
is
eka
a different
notification na
project.
ke National Medical
Shillong Medical
Commission
College is
jong
a
sarkar
different
jela ben itu eka Shillong Medical College
Pura, it is a
hakatup
greenfield
jongka habar
coupled
ko
with
kiri India. I Dr. Amperin
making
Lingdo
again
iliatu baik ke Shillong Medical
the
College on sedang
Pura
mentaka
Civil
senam
Hospital
bat kisit
and
na kebentak samula puli
NCI,
doktor kan
NCH
long
Hospital
san pungut ha ke ba
part of
prapusan
the
nak sispa
teaching
kan long na kebentak samula puli
hospitals
ke
that
jela
are
Meghalaya
required
bat
to
katsan nak
conform to
sispa kan
the
long
NMC
na ke bah
norms.
kari India berokoi.
Shillong, on
Ya
the
kena ke
other hand,
college
is
and
a
clear di
brownfield,
Dr.
which
Nicola
means we
Lengdo yang
already
rai
have 600
ENT surgeon bagi kabai puli
1,000
kena ke college
and
kan
your
long laipo
actual
hajar sisnam
requirement
ha
at
ke
the
bakan kentup
NMC
ke
is
bai hostel ban kibai kibai.
220.
Kementeri kelapan pau ke jing kemen halor kania dah ke bakro bagani ke de jing persang ke bala slemba bat kania kalong kalat na ke bentagi samla ke jela bakin yo ban yo e kata ke jing hikai ban treiru hala ke jong ke jela bat kania kan long ru kalat ban weng ya ke jing e ke bawan na ke jing duna doktor ha ke jela.
Bangilong ibadon pok haduk kata-kata bahadin kejing angnut kepada ki pau senem. Baya keren cikang kata ke medical college kepada don hapa jela ke jungi mentakasmi nila yo ya ke official notification na ka NMC na Government of India bakala itu ya ke Shillong Medical College kum kaway na ki medical college haka list jongka ha barok away kari kajongi ngin sedang ya kani ke college mentau usnem ha kani ke session but ngin shim san po ngut ki kena prapo 100% na kani ka san po seat kanya directly sha kinong shong jong kejela jongi ban katsan persen ka juday ka rukam bakan led sya kata ka all India pool. Ngilalong ki balapan kre ngila thung ye Dr. Nicola kum i director limba kandanti ka ba bit ka ba biyang ka dadon da ka interview ka ba tikna but ila job i Dr. Nicola i baju tray kum i surgeon jong ka ENT hapo ka rims infat. Ngi kemen ba menta ngi don ru i doktor na kajalala jong i balawan pai siya ka state la jong man serve ye ki pajba la jong. Ngi labyang ki jing pen kre na kabenta ki classrooms na kabenta ka library nam ta ki labs ki beper ngi la pen kre ya ka jakasa ya ki professors ki way pade ki nong hikai ki associate professors ki ter kumta nang ta ki kendon jong ke NMC ru ngila pendep dak abapen I ya ke NMC bakum bakalong ki nong hikai ki la don kat ni number ban ni don kam menta kat mangyaj kani ke medical college bangin nang pengklan ya kita ki department ki beper ki badai ki bakong san e ha ke jing ai jing puli ban long doktor driu ti ngisngo ba kadai kasmi ka bakamen namar ba hadin ka jing persyang ka basitom bah nila yo ya kani ka medical college hoon habar sedang ya kanu ka batumai kindon ki challenges I director ru itip ha bakindon kita ki challenges Dek banga itenat kalong bagi doktor jongi ki bedon ha ka state jongi ki basab kum ki doktor ha ka dia kilawan sakmat tolong ngiru ngin wan hikai ngiru ngin yarap lang kani kadi kata ka jing itenat ka banga yo I ha kani ka jing ya dan ti jongi nam ta ka Shillong Medical College bat ngada sungu shisha ki officers ya ki doktor ki boper ki balak ploy ban wan sakmat ban hikai ha kani ka medical college kani gade ke AKA ke ba ni klem la men le kini ki snem ki bala dep kata ka career progression ka bamut ba ki doktor sisin ki lawan na po pasti jungi ban sab ki sakut kum ki doktor jungi ki MBBS ki long bitang ki GP kum ta ter ka ki doktor jungi ban ki yang ki stem ban lek ban wat pat saya ke PG saya ke senior residency Saya ke MD kani katai ngikerdan bahaden bakalawan ke medical college kung kani. Kitaru let's see kin sadeh pindon ki bangin la ban ke bat ban jam sukman. Bat nang bun ki doktor jong ngi. Ki ban nakatit jong ngi. Ki ban la ban serve khambha ban pengkot pengkia. Ya kata ke population jong ngi. Ti ngi kemen shibun bakani kala urlong ban Honorable Chief Minister jungi udon ada ni mentang bat punya trend bat menteri rambak jong keri Prime Minister jong keri bu wan bandon bentalang hak kata ke inauguration nang ba kanong ke inauguration ke bangsa jeng ken mau bat kanong ke mau mer ke badon kambah ha kani ke jing yale jong ke sarkar ban lam dia ke kwat ke kya ke bebit ke biang hadin kini kisan snem di ban ngahi ngayo i bab kata ka jing duna doktor ha ki jaka ai sumar ki bopher so dong jong kan challa ka jongi ngin sala ngin address.
So for any medical college as of now, you need three major ingredients. Number one is a working hospital. A working hospital which can be converted to a teaching hospital. And the second thing is that the hospital should have good clinical material. And all these things are already there for both civil hospital and Ganesh Das hospital and Mimans for that matter. And apart from that, we need a good number of teaching faculty as per NMC norms, which Madam has already elaborated. So all the ingredients are already there. We have just combined it, and with the blessing of God, NMC has also approved this medical college. On quality, you have raised a very important question. So let me tell you, Ganesh Das is already a ISO certified hospital. It is also a National Quality Assurance Standards certified and Lakshya certified as well. So we are starting on a very high level, rather. So and also your very important question: how will you maintain the standards? Yes, that is the biggest challenge now. Now that we got the college, Director Madam Asia, this is a very experienced, 24 years of teaching experience in a prestigious medical college that is RIMS. So she will be our guide for the rest of the coming years to take this college to great heights. We have kept it at a very subsidized rate of 30,000, inclusive of hostels. 30 per year.
30,000. Yes. That's the joy of having a government
Yeah, government
and
medical
state
college.
medical college.
Everything.
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 It's a brownfield project. We need to make more, hostels, and then most probably next year we'll be taking more students. So it depends. There will be many things. It's a big challenge.
Where are the hostel facilities?
The hostel facilities are there for both the boys and the girls. It's there in Pasture Institute. We are working on it.
So I can tell you about the hostel because so we have the old units which were earlier occupied by migrants. We have about 11 units, 12 units, proper quarters. So those we are designating and renovating as hostels. It's already near
Job in
completion.
progress.
Yeah, working.